Hair removal. Ouch! Almost everyone has to do it. We pluck, we shave, we wax, and then we pluck, shave, and wax some more. Traditional hair removal routines can be tedious, painful, and expensive over time. Shaving may last a day, waxing a couple of weeks, but none of these methods are a permanent solution.
I tried electrolysis, I tried, waxing, and nothing worked. And it's just at the point where I just couldn't take it anymore.
Cynosure's Elite is getting to the root of the problem. It's an effective, revolutionary new technology for a variety of aesthetic applications, which includes the removal of unwanted hair. Fast and painless.
Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Using the SmartCool system for the ultimate patient comfort.
Am I hurting you at all?
No, not at all.
This groundbreaking technology allows for the selection of optimal wavelengths, faster treatment sessions, and treatment customization designed specifically for each patient. According to experts at the American Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, laser hair removal is one of the top non-surgical procedures available today.
Laser hair removal is not only popular, it is the most rapidly growing procedure in the United States today for cosmetics. So it's becoming mainstream, getting more mainstream every day, and our patients are coming in asking for it.
I was really just tired of shaving and dealing with rapid hair growth. I would shave about every other day, sometimes every day if I wanted it very smooth.
The Elite works by emitting gentle pulses of energy through the skin into the hair follicle, making it impossible for that hair to regrow. The beauty of the Elite is that hair removal can be applied to all areas of the body and on all types of skin, even tanned or dark skin.
Now, of course, we would only use a YAG laser on Njeri. And what's so nice is that with the Elite laser, we have two wavelengths in the box, so I can treat any skin color of any patient who would walk in the door. Whether I need to use the YAG as I do with darker skin types, or to use the Alexandrite as I would on lighter skin types.
Patients admit there's hardly any discomfort.
There's no pain. It feels like if somebody just got a rubber band, but it's no pain. No pain.
You do know something's happening, but is it jump out of the chair? No, hardly even flinch.
It's hard to describe. I mean, as it's going over your face, it feels like like you're getting pinched a little bit, but it's not something that's uncomfortable. Not to me. It works. That's a fact.
What the Elite gives us is the ability to treat every skin type. So it truly is a universal hair removal device. The Alexandrite will allow us very fast and relatively painless hair removal with the air cooling system. And then with just the push of a button, with just software on the machine, it'll switch over to the 1064, and then we can treat dark hair on dark skin, even on the darkest skin type.
The Elite Aesthetic Workstation can also be beneficial for medical conditions.
There are several medical conditions that our patients come to us with for laser hair removal. One is polycystic ovarian syndrome, a hormonal condition where women are producing more male hormone than they would like. And the other is a condition called pseudofolliculitis Barbae, or fondly known as PFB. And this is a condition more commonly seen in African American and Black patients, where they get ingrown hairs, bumps, and discolored bumps on their face and neck that sometimes even scar. With laser hair removal, we are able to tremendously change the lives of these people who have used numerous over-the-counter remedies for years. We're able to actually eliminate bumps, eliminate scarring.
Although a series of treatments is recommended, patients often notice a significant reduction in hair after just one treatment.
After the first session, you can really see a difference.
I definitely saw some major results the first time I came in.
It's like, so why are you shaving every day?
This laser technology is also used to help minimize bothersome leg and facial veins.
Wow. Awesome.
Like that. This will be just enough to cover the vessel.
By having 1064 in the same unit, this opens up a range of applications such as treatment of hemangiomas or treatment of veins. We use 1064 for treatment of leg telangiectasia. They're usually on the purple side, and it's best to use 1064 when you have more purplish type of blood vessels.
The Elite Workstation treats spider veins by using hemoglobin as the target for the laser energy. So we deliver the laser energy to the blood vessel, the hemoglobin absorbs the laser energy, heat is created, and from inside the vessel is destroyed and scarred. We're actually able to eliminate the visibility of a lot of these vessels at the time we're treating it, so the immediate reward for the patient is very gratifying.
I had some minor facial vessels around my nose that I wanted to have removed. Not too troublesome, but you can cover them with makeup, which is usually fine, but when I'm out playing sports or I don't have makeup on and I look in the mirror, my eyes always seem to go there. I'm hoping that the vessels will be gone.
Unattractive red, blue, or purple veins are often a result of sun exposure, hormones, age, or genetics. But now, these conditions can be treated in a matter of minutes with the Elite. The Elite uses a laser to target the vein with energy pulses, leaving the surrounding tissue untouched. The blood vessel will in time disappear naturally.
About a year ago, I had this vessel pop up on my cheek, and it absolutely drove me crazy. I don't know, friends told me it wasn't a big deal, but I knew it was there. I kept trying to cover it with more makeup, and then finally I just got to the point where I was just like, I want to remove it.
If you are an active person, chances are you spend more than your fair share of time in the sun. And if you're over 30, you're more than likely to show signs of premature aging due to sun damage. With the Elite Aesthetic Workstation, you can now treat sunspots, pigmented lesions, and overall skin texture, making you look better than you have in years.
I can do skin rejuvenation procedures, a laser facial procedure. It's an anti-aging procedure that stimulates collagen production and makes the skin a bit smoother, reduces brownness, reduces redness. We're also able to do the laser facial procedure, skin rejuvenation procedure, for reduction of pigmentation, reduction of redness in rosacea, making makeup go on smoother and improving collagen in the skin. And then last but not least, benign sun damage. We're able to treat these brown age spots on the hands, on the chest, and very important that we're always being certain that we're dealing with benign issues before we treat these, and once we know that, these patients are doing beautifully. Let's face it, we're in a society where appearance has become very important. People want to look their best.
So with the Elite Aesthetic Workstation, you can be assured that you will receive a comfortable and effective treatment, whether it be for the removal of unwanted hair, unwelcome spider veins and facial vessels, treatment of uneven skin tone and texture, or just getting a smoother and more revitalized appearance than you've had in years.
I had a lot of hair on my face, and it was just embarrassing. But when I came to Dr. Culkin, I knew that he was the right one for me, and it's worked out great.
Do you feel like this has changed your life?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm really glad.
It's wonderful. I'm very pleased.
I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's having problems, or just the freedom of not having to shave. I love it.
Dr. Peter Kleiner says, I've used Cynosure Alexandrite lasers since 1997. I've found them to be the most effective, safest, and fastest lasers for hair removal. My patients have been consistently satisfied with their results while having minimal, if any, downtime associated with their treatments. I've been able to treat all skin types with this laser, but have found the ND YAG to have a significant advantage with darker skin types, as well as tan skin. In addition, the ND YAG has been unmatched in ease of use and effectiveness in the treatment of both facial and lower extremity veins. Dr. Kenneth Richter says, hair removal is our most popular indication. For a very pale Caucasian individual, we use the Alexandrite component of the Elite. But for someone who is dark-skinned or tanned Caucasian, the YAG laser is used. With the Elite laser, integrating aesthetics into the practice has been easier than we thought.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. My patients love the results. Sometimes they cry to us with their results. They say that they're life-changing. They are absolutely thrilled with their results. I can say, I'm not overstating this, they are thrilled.
Thank you. Have a good day.
The Cynosure Elite, getting to the root of the problem. For more information, please contact Cynosure at 800-886-2966 or visit us on the web at www.cynosure.com.